been quite a while since the last update. I was actually out traveling around the country for about 6 weeks with Marley. No videos yet from that, maybe some later. Lots of progress. There's Mount Trashurus, the 16th or 17th iteration. It sometimes feels to me like while the house is getting bigger, pretty much as much material as it has gone into it is coming out. Lots of demolition. So the front entryway turned out really, really well. I like this quite a bit. No stairway yet. That'll come when the first phase of the driveway gets done. And the driveway will initially come on a line here, and then, more or less pretty close to the edge of that wall here. So it'll be square. I'm at the phase of the project where the budget has gotten to the point where, I'd like to do this whole thing, but that's money that I could spend elsewhere, and getting this part of the driveway in will allow for the stairs to be installed, and it just makes sense. I think it's probably a standard part of most renovations. You start out with these very lofty goals, and then particularly these days, I think when things have been getting quite a bit more expensive over a short period of time, you have to start scaling things back a little bit. Have some drone footage of the rest of the outside of the house that I will insert before going into the house. So here's that. Front door is awesome. Before I do the quick tour of the main floor as it stands now, here are some pictures and short clips of the in-progress work. All right, so here's the inside of the front door. Turned out really nice. Um, Skylights here. This is the entryway. This over here is going to be the closet to the main bedroom. So it's got a nice skylight as well. Actually, that reminds me, I haven't shown the ones out here yet. Skylight's also in the front entryway. And, you know, this is fairly close to the middle part of the year, which here in the Northern Hemisphere means the sun is still pretty high in the sky. The house, that direction up there, is south, more or less. So the house, the front of the house faces north, which means that in the winter, not a huge amount of light as the sun, you know, is much lower in the sky in that direction. So these skylights will, you know, help to make it feel lighter and nicer here in the north-facing part of the house. Okay, so as I said before, that is the walk-in closet for the main bedroom. The main bedroom actually is going to take up, so there's this wall. There's going to be a wall here, goes all the way across more or less to that big post there. So this and everything back here will be the main suite. This wall here is going to come out. That stuff there is going to come out. In fact, at this point, really, all of the existing interior walls, once everything is done, all of the pre-existing interior walls, with one very small exception, will have been removed, and new walls will have been built. And really, not a lot of walls. There'll be this wall here I was just talking about, and there'll be some internal walls for the bathroom on this end. And then really this whole section back here will be open. The kitchen will start to the left of this post here. This area here will be is where the sink, and there'll be cabinets, but it'll be open to that room beyond. So there'll be a really nice view when on clear days, which is most of the summer and occasionally in the winter here, of the mountain, and also just of trees and just the surrounding countryside. So that will be nice. So like I say, this will be cabinets, there'll be a sink. Might be some cabinets up here. Haven't really decided on that yet. This is the remains of the original main bedroom. This doorway has been installed. There's a nice little deck out here. Again, should have seen that in the drone footage. And still very much a construction zone, but this is going to be very nice. Very cool view of the mountain. This window here was actually originally a little further this way, so it got moved. This will be sort of the office side of the main bedroom, so there'll be a view, you know, more or less this view out the window. I say it a lot, but no complaints about the view. Very nice. This closet, these walls, this door, all this is going to be going. This wall here, this closet here, again going. There's a closet in there that will be going. In fact, when all is said and done, given the current plans, the only internal wall section that will have survived is this little section right here, which is inside the main closet, the walk-in closet for the main bedroom. And just on the other side of that will be the bathroom. So there's the bathroom take up pretty much all of the existing bedroom on that other side of the wall. So it'll be a shower actually on the other side there. My original sort of dream / plan for this back wall here was to have a sliding cantilevered glass door that would open all the way across this distance, preferably even a little bit wider. Remember I was talking earlier about you get to a place in the remodel where the budget starts to make you make maybe different decisions than you would have made early on, at least if you're me. Well, this is another one of those. To do what I wanted to do would have required putting in a very big, very expensive steel beam across the top for structural support. And it was ending up to be hard to find that. When it was found, the pricing was beyond what seemed prudent at this point. So going with something a little bit more modest will still look really nice. Big sliding glass door, large windows on either side. So ready access to the deck. Still, a very nice view. It'll be really, better than what is here now with these existing windows. But from a cost perspective, quite a bit more modest. So that's the plan here. It's probably coming in sometime in the next month, hopefully, if things go as planned. Well, do you want to go inside? No, I think we're going to go rest out on the deck, Marley. Yeah, let's go upstairs. Come on. Oh. Yep, upstairs. Good girl. Go on, upstairs. Oh. Yeah, what you doing? What you doing? You being good? You being a good girl? Yeah. Okay, down. Good girl. Down. Okay, good girl. Is that a wrap, Marley? Huh? Is that a wrap? If I give you a treat, it's a wrap. Yeah. Okay. That's a wrap.